Hello everyone, I am Bradley Sward, Associate Professor of Computer and Information Science at the College of DuPage in Glen Ellen, Illinois. And this video today is going to take a look at Day 8 of the matthewscroggs.co.uk Puzzle Advent Calendar. And, well, let's take a look. I'm going to brute force this one today, and then I'm going back to solve the 7-segment problem that's driving me crazy. I think I have a solution now. I think I figured it out, but I got to go back and try it out. So anyway, but focus on this for the moment, Bradley. So the sum of three integers is 51. The product of the same integers is 836. So I've got three unknowns and two equations. What is the product of the largest integer and the second largest integer? And this is how I did it here. So I created a list of combinations. And I said, give me everything from 1 to 51, because if they sum up to 51, I can't go any higher than that. And oh, I didn't account for 0. Well, I can't account for 0 because it won't make up 836 if one of the values is 0. So give me something from 1 to 51 and do this 3 times over. Give me every combination there is, and then go through and just say, hey, add the 3 numbers up, and if you get 51, then multiply them together, and if you get 836, you get your answer. And my answer is 2 times 11 times 38 gets me 836, and 2 plus 11 plus 38 gets me 51, and that's exactly correct. And let me go back and fix that up here. Where is this guy? So, whoops, I've already forgot what number it was. Oh, shoot. So it was 418. Yeah, if I multiply this number, the problem says if I multiply 38 times 11, the largest number, times the second largest number, I get 418. That's the answer for the day. So that's it. If you have any questions or concerns or anything as usual, or if you know how to do this in a more mathematical way than just brute forcing, at the moment, I'd love to hear it. I always love to hear it. So thanks for sticking it out as always. 2 minutes in. Take care, everybody. Have a great day.